Welcome to our comprehensive YouTube video on effective strategies for weight loss and maintenance. Losing weight and keeping it off can be a challenging journey, but with the right approach and mindset, you can achieve lasting success. In this video, we will delve into a range of proven strategies that will empower you to shed those extra pounds and develop healthy habits for sustainable weight management. Get ready to embark on a transformative journey towards a healthier, happier you. Set realistic and achievable goals. One of the first steps in successful weight loss is setting realistic and achievable goals. Rather than striving for rapid weight loss, focus on steady progress. Consider your body type, current health status, and lifestyle, and set targets that align with your individual circumstances. This approach will help you avoid disappointment and foster a positive mindset. Embrace a balanced and nutrient-dense diet. A balanced and nutrient-dense diet forms the foundation of effective weight loss and maintenance. Incorporate a wide variety of whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Aim for portion control and practice mindful eating to cultivate a healthy relationship with food. Avoid restrictive diets and instead focus on nourishing your body with quality nutrients. Engage in regular physical activity. Regular physical activity is crucial for weight loss and overall well-being. Find activities that you enjoy, such as jogging, dancing, swimming, or cycling, and integrate them into your daily routine. Strive for a combination of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises to enhance your fitness levels, boost metabolism, and support weight management. Practice mindful eating and portion control. Mindful eating involves being fully present and attentive during meals. Slow down, savor each bite, and pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Avoid distractions like screens or eating on the go, as they can lead to mindless overeating. Practice portion control by using smaller plates and bowls, and aim to eat until you feel satisfied, not overly full. Seek support and accountability. Having a support system can significantly contribute to your weight loss journey. Join a weight loss group, seek guidance from a registered dietitian or nutritionist, or connect with like-minded individuals through online communities. Sharing your progress, challenges, and successes with others can provide valuable encouragement, accountability, and access to resources that will keep you motivated. Prioritize quality sleep. Adequate sleep is often overlooked but plays a vital role in weight management. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormonal balance, leading to increased appetite and cravings for unhealthy foods. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Create a conducive sleep environment, and practice relaxation techniques to promote restful sleep. Manage stress and emotional eating. Chronic stress can sabotage weight loss efforts and contribute to emotional eating. Implement stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Prioritize self-care, seek support from loved ones, and explore stress-reducing activities to help you cope with daily challenges without turning to food for comfort. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for overall health and weight management. Drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to support digestion, regulate appetite, and maintain optimal bodily functions. Consider replacing sugary beverages with water or herbal teas to reduce unnecessary calorie intake. Incorporate strength training. In addition to cardiovascular exercises, integrating strength training into your fitness routine is vital for weight loss and maintenance. Building lean muscle mass increases your metabolism, allowing you to burn calories even at rest. Include exercises such as weightlifting, resistance band workouts, or body weight exercises to tone and strengthen your muscles. Practice portion control. Controlling portion sizes is key to managing caloric intake. Use smaller plates and bowls to visually trick your mind into feeling satisfied with less food. Pay attention to recommended serving sizes and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. It's important to enjoy your meals while being mindful of the quantities you consume. Congratulations on taking the initiative to learn about effective strategies for weight loss and maintenance. By implementing these evidence-based approaches, you are setting yourself up for long-term success. Remember that weight loss is a holistic journey that encompasses not just physical changes but also mental and emotional well-being. Embrace the process, stay consistent, and be patient with yourself as you navigate this transformative path. Always prioritize your health and make sustainable choices that support your overall well-being. Remember, weight loss is not about achieving a specific number on the scale, but rather about improving your quality of life and cultivating a healthy relationship with your body. Stay motivated, seek support when needed, and celebrate every step forward on your journey. With dedication, determination, and these effective strategies, you can unlock a healthier you and enjoy the benefits of weight loss and long-term weight management. Thank you for joining us today and investing your time in learning about effective strategies for weight loss and maintenance. We hope you found this video insightful and valuable in your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember, sustainable weight loss and maintenance require dedication, patience, and a positive mindset. You have the power to make positive changes in your life, and we believe in your ability to achieve your goals. If you have any questions or if there's any other topic you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments section below. We appreciate your feedback and suggestions. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, take care of yourself, stay motivated, and continue making choices that support your well-being. Goodbye, and we'll see you soon.